going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've made a video. So we got the car on the dyno. Like, that was the last thing I really remember we did. Got the car switched over to E85. It's running like a champ. It's awesome. I'm loving it. So since then, we've gone full steam ahead with the nitrous project. Currently, I have the bottles getting filled. So that way we can get it, you know, all back installed into the car, and then be able to go from there and kind of, you know, get everything tested and dynoed and everything and see where we are as far as power is concerned. So we're going to go see Spinnywhoosh right now. Scotty with Spinnywhoosh. We're going to be doing some work on the car. Specifically, I bought something that I think needs to be on here because I finally decided what I am going to name this car. So kind of thinking about the name of the car and everything. Originally, I called this car the Silver Surfer because I had just saw Avengers Endgame and I thought, well, the only person that's really missing in here is the Silver Surfer. So then thinking about it, I'm like, well, you know, it's a long name. It's a mouthful. But every time that I've gone to the track, been around friends that know about my car and everything, they've always called it the Silver Bullet. They've always called it the Silver Bullet. How's the Silver Bullet doing? Oh, what's next with the Silver Bullet? So you know what? That's what we're gonna name the car. That's what we're going with. So you guys are about to see the unveiling of the new banner that's gonna be going across the windshield of this car that says Silver Bullet Racing. I am so pumped to show you guys and share this with you and everything. It looks amazing the way it came out. I can't wait to see how it's gonna be on the car. As far as the car is concerned with the nitrous project and everything, we went ahead and got some updates installed. I did get the gauges put in and everything. So we did take out the original pillar gauge that I had in here. We added in a new wideband and a matching nitrous pressure gauge, also with switches set up. So that way we can go ahead and, you know, get everything dialed in. Anyways, everything's hooked up. Everything seems to be functional and working the right way. Really, I'm just waiting on the bottles to get back so that way we can plug everything in, do a final test, and then schedule the dyno, and then from there, see how much power she makes. I'm pretty excited about that.
A few moments later.
Check out this sweet thing. This is the Minty Fresh Skyline. So sick, so rad, so minty. I'm just being hella quiet, but yeah, this thing is so sick. Oh my god. I'm ready to hurt some feelings with this thing now. Or grenade the motor. Either way. Either way. Something's gonna happen.
Hurt feelings either way.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are heading back right now from Spinnywhoosh. Thanks so much to Scotty with Spinnywhoosh and Ryan with the Minty Fresh Skyline for helping me out to install this awesome banner. I am so unbelievably happy with how it came out and everything. It looks so good. Like, it's incredible. If you guys have ever thought about getting a banner for your car, whether it's a 350Z, a Miata, an FRS, whatever it is, whatever application you're going for, hit up Spinnywhoosh. They will custom design whatever it is you're looking for. They will get you an awesome price on it. And if you're in the Tampa area, they might even help you out with getting someone referred to you for the installation. I mean, I gotta say, it really blew my mind how awesome this came out. I am so unbelievably happy. I'm just gonna show you guys quickly here. Look how sick this looks on the inside. Like, it looks so rad. Hey guys, so I think we're gonna wrap up the video here today. Be sure to, of course, like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We do have some pretty fun things coming up here. I'm hoping to get the notification today that the bottles are ready so we can go ahead and pick those up, install them, and then from there, test the system, make sure everything works, go schedule a dyno tune sesh, and see if this thing can break a 12-second quarter mile. We'll find out. So stay tuned, guys. Take it easy.